Bumalik si Murayama sa Oyahay para harapin si Todoroki at sa pagkakataon na to ay handa na siyang makipaglaban ulit at ito ang sumunod na pangyayari.
Taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the new song. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
tracks and some music that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon that's sharp as many.
Habang nakikipaglaban si Murayama, naisip nito ang mga natutunan niyang aral mula kay Cobra at sa mga naging karanasan nito. Tinalo ni Murayama si Todoroki at sinabi nito na inaamin ko na malakas ka, subalit hindi sapat na malakas ka lang. Sa isip-isip ni Murayama, kailangan mong magbago para magbago din ang mundo mo.